Hello guys, welcome to this video. And in this video we are going to demonstrate how we can configure our endpoints to communicate with our SIM tools, in the sense that when our endpoint finds a malware or a malicious software, it can work with an IOC tool called VirusTotal. VirusTotal is a tool that you can use to analyze files, analyze emails, analyze softwares to make sure they are not they are not malicious in any way. So we are going to configure our endpoint so that it can talk to VirusTotal directly. Whenever a malware sets foot into our endpoint or our host or our network, the endpoint detects it and sends it to VirusTotal using automation. This happens in less than 2 seconds, so that when the malware appears and VirusTotal flags it as malicious, it deletes it immediately. This is in a way so that we won't have to spend hours or days before detecting a malware, and also this helps us to work better. So first of all, I'm going to show you what VirusTotal is. VirusTotal is an IOC tool that we can use to detect malicious files. So you can see it on Firefox when you just search VirusTotal. This is VirusTotal interface. So I'm going to sign in. This is the interface of VirusTotal. So since you're signed in already, you can just come here and check on API key. So it's not going to show the key because it's sensitive. So you're going to copy this key, and we're going to use the key for our configuration, but we'll get back to it. So assuming you already have your Wazuh configured, Wazuh endpoint, Wazuh agent in your endpoint configured, communicating with your Wazuh server, first thing you have to do is to configure your Wazuh endpoint and modify the existing syscheck block. So this is it. Use nanofile to come to the ossec.conf. You're going to use sudo. You want to configure it so that it works in real time, so you have to search the word real time. Yes, I've already configured mine so that it will be easier for me to make this video, but this is what you add. This has to be correct, and it has to be like this so that you won't get a system error. And after this, you have to create a script, the active response threat script. I've already created mine, so this is how it is. This is how it is. It shows the parameters, it sends the parameters and alerts to VirusTotal, and this is how it is. So you can use from mine and do yours. And after this, you have to give it permission. The command will be like this. So this file here, this is it here. I've already loaded, so I don't have to load it again. But this is it. You have to just click enter, and everything goes good. So then after this, you just have to do system. You just have to restart your Wazuh agent so that these whole settings that even this one I'm removing right now, which you have to put enter for, will work. Restart the Wazuh agent. So after this, we still have to configure it in our Wazuh server. So we come to our Wazuh server and clear. And these are the rules. Here we go to local. This here, there's the rule ID. This here is the one. When you are still setting up your VirusTotal, it will be like this. Then you have to put in these two rules here, this and this. So this and this. So this is it. I've already put in mine so that it will be easy for me to make this video, because you have to set this up. If this place for example is like this whole file will be an error. So it has to be perfect, and this has to be perfect like this. This place has to be perfect, very perfect. So I can leave it. And the same place, we're going to configure our VirusTotal integration. This is where we need our API key. And an API is just an interface for two softwares or applications to communicate together. And in this case, it's our system and VirusTotal, Wazuh and VirusTotal. Wazuh sees a malware, sends it to VirusTotal to check if it's malicious. Wazuh sees a new software that is loaded and sends it to VirusTotal to see if it's malicious. And then VirusTotal gets the info. If it's malicious, VirusTotal will tell it and Wazuh will delete it immediately. And this is all the rules that we've been setting here. And this rule here is to integrate VirusTotal. This is it here. So we're going to add something to the integration block. So this is it. This particular place is where we're going to add to our integration block. This whole thing, this place is where my API key is. So you can't see this API key because it's my personal API key. So that's it's a sensitive key. So nobody can see it except you. And any API key on any software is sensitive. It's like your private key. So this is where you put your VirusTotal API key. This VirusTotal, this API key here that will copy. Yes, this key here. Still inside this place, we still have to, still inside this ossec.conf, we still have to put another command. These are commands that we've given Wazuh, and this is the command that we need to remove the threats. This is the command to remove threats. And after this command, this has to be in the last part. This has to be in the last part of this list, this command list. Because if you check, there are a lot of commands here. This particular command is the command that removes the threats. After VirusTotal flags it as malicious. After this, the active response is your system removing it. This is it. This active response must come after the command line. After the command, you have to see active response. Then this one, in your own, if you haven't set it up yet, you have to set this one up like this, the last part of this command list. And after then, you can come here and set up your active response command here. This shows that we've configured Wazuh to detect malicious. This is the configurations we need for Wazuh to detect malicious files, and the commands we've given it to respond when VirusTotal flags it as malicious, because we've reused our VirusTotal API key here. So we're going to leave this place and we're going to test it in our endpoints. After this, we'll want to restart our Wazuh Manager. So this shows that after we restart our Wazuh Manager, the settings will become valid. Then we have to go to our endpoints and run the command. Endpoint, which is Kali. So first of all, we have to download the CURL. CURL is a tool to download things from the internet when we have the link, but I guess I already have it. You can download this by sudo apt install. I guess CURL by sudo apt install CURL. When you hit enter, you install it, but I already have it. So I am going to load a malware called ACA. This malware is not harmful to our systems, but Wazuh will detect it as a malware because it was created for testing purposes. All the abilities of a malware that Wazuh detects in other malwares, it has it, but it's not harmful. It was created for testing purposes. So I'm going to load this using CRL with the sudo and yes, it is here. So we're going to go to our Wazuh dashboard and check it out. We're going to refresh this part. So here it is. VirusTotal has given us an alert on a car. 65 engines detected this file. So if we go to this place, we'll see the link, the VirusTotal link. You can copy it, and we can look at it. You can see that VirusTotal has flagged it, detected he has a virus. 65 engines detected this, and this is acre.com. This is the file, and we can see more info about the companies that VirusTotal used to detect it. There's a whole lot. So you see 65 out of 67, and yes, it is malicious. So thank you for watching this video. If this video has been good and informative to you, please do well to give it a thumbs up and like this video and subscribe for more content. Thank you so much.